Docket ending 5106, Benjamin Coates.
One by one, the overwhelming majority of the Occupy Wall Street protesters, slapped with summonses after rallying in Union Square last month, pleaded not guilty Thursday. They opted for a trial rather than accept a deal that would get their cases dropped if they stay out of trouble for 6 months. One of their attorneys explained why they chose not to take the deal, known as an adjournment in contemplation of a dismissal, or ACD.
If they had taken the ACD, they are on what they would view as a period of probation, which would chill them from engaging in legitimate First Amendment protest activity, where they could be arrested again for engaging in innocent conduct.
Charges varied from blocking traffic to disorderly conduct. The protesters say they were illegally trapped by the NYPD.
People were told you can march, but if you got to stay on the sidewalk, they get up on the sidewalk and they march. They're surrounded by the orange netting, and then they're arrested. We think the DA's office should have tossed these cases out.
For Jason McGahey of Illinois, it was an historic day.
Understand that we're fighting for a better future, and if this is part of the steps to get there, there's a long history of going to trial to fight for any kind of civil rights.
In all, 53 refused the deal, while 9 accepted it. 1 misdemeanor was adjourned and 14 were no-shows, prompting the judge to order them back to court in 2 months. Just 1 case was dismissed, that of a reporter charged with not showing his press pass. Video later showed he was in fact wearing it. Even as those cases moved through the court, there were new arrests as a crowd of Occupy Wall Street demonstrators marched on the offices of the investment company Goldman Sachs on West Street in Lower Manhattan. Meanwhile, another 700 arrested protesters from the Brooklyn Bridge rally last month have yet to be arraigned. At Manhattan Criminal Court, Vivian Lee, New York 1.